With the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is just a few days away, leaks and rumors have been arriving which confirms everything about the device. Today is not different and we have got a few leaks regarding the upcoming S24 Ultra, which include the first look of the upcoming S24 Ultra alongside with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor which is coming for different S24 Ultra in different regions. Now, according to the post on Twitter by well-known leakster Anthony, the company Qualcomm is reportedly making two variants of its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. This chip will be used in the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone everywhere it's sold and also in the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models in the US and China. For now, we are only focusing on how the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip will be used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In the tweet, Anthony explains that there are two types of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip for the Galaxy phones. One type is faster with the core part of the chip Cortex-X4 Prime core working at 3.4 GHz, and the other is a bit slower at 3.3 GHz. The Galaxy S24 Ultra phones sold in the US and Korea will have the slightly slower 3.3 GHz version of the chip. US and Korea are referred as U and N in Samsung market codes. The Galaxy S24 Ultra phones going to region B will be using faster version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip with the Cortex-X4 Prime core running faster. It's not clear which area B refers to, but it seems like the quicker chip will be in the S24 Ultra model sold in places other than the US and Korea. It's important to note that people in the US shouldn't be too concerned about slightly speed difference in the Snapdragon chip, as 100 MHz difference isn't usually noticeable in the daily use. Even if the faster chip does make a phone a bit quicker, especially during gaming, it might also make the phone overheat. This overheating could slow the phone down to prevent damage, which means that any speed advantages might not really make a big difference for the Galaxy S24 Ultra models outside the US and Korea. We don't anticipate any overheating problem with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in the S24 Ultra, as Samsung has including a cooling technology called a vapor chamber. This is a small pipe inside the phone filled with a liquid that absorbs heat from the chip and turns into vapors. The vapors then move to cooler part of the chamber, cools down and turns back into liquid. Starting the process again, this system helps spread out the heat evenly, keeping the phone cool. Moving on, Samsung has put up billboards in many big cities worldwide like Bangkok, London, New York, Seoul, Madrid and Milan and China. These billboards shows cool animation of metallic Q turning into stars, which symbolize their new model technology called Galaxy Artificial Intelligence and the exciting change it will bring. Samsung is trying to grab the attention of the people who haven't heard about their new Galaxy S24 phone yet and might want to buy it. Also, the most recent leak, including two real-life photos supposedly showing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which seems to have a gold color option. Honestly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has been showing in many pictures and renders before, and this isn't the first time it's been seen in a real photo. But the recent images highlight the phone's a gold color, including a matching gold frame. The flat screen and the design have been more or less confirmed through these leaks, as well as new Galaxy S24 Ultra has flat screen instead of curved one, which means it's going to be stronger and eliminates the need for an expensive screen protector. The back is similar with a matte finish and a lighter titanium frame. The overall appearance hasn't changed much and many people including myself are happy with this design. And you guys, if you want to know more, you can check out my recent videos. Now, as usual, let's get into all the other details of the S24 series, including its feature, design and price to help you decide which one is right for you. If you are a regular viewer, you might already know all the drills, so feel free to skip the next video. But if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to stay informed about the upcoming content. Now let's get started. The standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, boosting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will be making use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panel shared by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with aluminum 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the US and South Korea, it will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variant will run on Exynos 2400. The device offers 8GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 or 256GB using a UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4000 mAh battery and supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 7, operating on One UI 6.1 based Android 14. The phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, it showcased an upgraded QHD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung Advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with aluminum 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you will find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, 12-megapixel of ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel of telephoto lens. In the US, South Korea, it's equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12GB of RAM and a storage choice of 256 or 512GB, utilizing a UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4900 mAh battery and supporting a 45-watt fast charging connectivity option, including 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3 and a Wi-Fi 7, operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. The expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the line, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3880 by 1440p resolution. It incorporates Samsung Advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass armor. For capturing stunning selfies, there is a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. It's powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all the regions, separating it from S24 and S24 Plus, which sticks with the Exynos in some regions. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12GB of RAM with a storage choice of 256, 512 and a 1TB storage, which supports UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5000 mAh battery supporting a 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. This premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 introduced a fresh design with enhanced durability and significantly brighter display with upgraded hardware and numerous new AI features. The inclusion of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung. The overall improvement across the entire lineup suggests that these phones are poised to success, while the similarities of the predecessor might not encourage S23 Ultra owners to rush and upgrade. The S24 series is an excellent choice for those with an older S phones or those considering their first S phone device. And as we approach the launch, more details will likely surface and I will continue to share them as soon as they become available. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss an upgrade in the future. Share your opinion in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Peace.